To earn rewards in Ultima with the DeFi-U product, you must withdraw your VIP Split or Unity Split tokens in Smart Wallet. Don't forget to activate your wallet to make transactions with Split tokens. To activate the wallet, simply transfer one Smart to your wallet. Also note that to withdraw tokens, you will need to enable two-factor authentication. So, to withdraw VIP Split or Unity Split tokens, log in to the DeFi-U website. Go to the Payout menu section. A window will open indicating the number of VIP Split and Unity Split tokens available for withdrawal. Select the balance from which you want to withdraw tokens and click Next Step. In the opened window, you will need to paste the address of your Split wallet. The address can be copied to Smart Wallet. Paste the copied address, specify the amount of Split to be withdrawn, and click the Transfer button. Next, a window will open where you need to enter your two-factor authentication code. Open the Google Authenticator application and enter the code that is current in the application into the corresponding field. If you have completed all the steps correctly, you will receive a message confirming the creation of a token withdrawal request. Your tokens will soon arrive at the wallet address you specified. You can view your payout history in the Payouts History section. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team. We're here to assist you. We wish you success in your endeavors.